the rational element, the aql, the rationality of the system, differ from the traditional or type of rationalities that are known in Muslim systems, not just usuli, but also maybe a kind of instrumentalized rationality that theologians and lawyers use, or a kind of theoretical rationality that philosophers use, or a sense of a trans-rational form of experiential knowledge that the urafa use. How would you characterize your understanding of the rationality of this systematic thought theory? Is it closer to the aql al-faqih than maybe to the aql al-arif, if we can put it crudely? I'd be curious to know how you see it.
Of course, it is nearer to the aql al-faqih in your term than aql al-arif. But it has tried to, in some sense, improve aql al-faqih from a restricted area to a more vast image about Islam, and to show that the philosophical and ethical issues, they are also related to the fiqh issues, and the fiqh issues are not restricted to the legal issues. There are also some other issues, such as the issues of doctrine and system, that they are also the fiqh issues. Therefore, this theory, as I said, it has improved the level of fiqh in some sense, and improved the aspect of a faqih, the point of view of a faqih in another sense, to show a more coherent items in Islam, to show the coherency of the items and the issues in Islam, that all the concepts, they are related to each other in a coherent system, and it is not really away from the other one. Because, you know, in the traditional fiqh method, when we refer to a special issue, we just study this issue separated from all the other issues, just this special issue. And this system is trying, this theory is trying to show that for a better study, we should pay attention to the relationships, and it is not easy to discuss an issue separately from the others. Even in the field of fiqh, when you want to discuss an issue, you should have in your mind that this issue is, for example, legal issue, is a result of a system or of a doctrine. And this system or doctrine is a result of an ethics. This ethics is a result of a philosophy. And all of these issues should be coherent with each other. There should not be any contradiction among them. And if we can improve this idea, I hope that in the future we will be able to reach to some more coherent images about Islam in different fields. Even in the field, in humanities, and even in the field of fiqh. And therefore, the usuli, as you said, the usuli method that we reach to this usuli method through this theory is in some points, not in all points. It is something different from the usuli points that we reach in the traditional method. And the difference is in that the usul will be improved, not, of course, omitted. All of the other accepted issues, they are accepted in this theory, because we have tried to drive this theory based on the accepted elements of Islam, based on, I can say, the most accepted elements of Islam. That all the steps in this theory we have tried to make them based on on some issues that they are accepted by Islam, and we can prove them based on the Islamic sources. And step by step we have tried to show that this theory is based on the main concepts and ideas that have been introduced in Islam, and it is not in contradiction with any ideas that Islam has introduced. And therefore, the result of this theory is to improve the level of fiqh and usul and even in some sense to improve the level of philosophy, because